I came out as a Plaid Cymru supporter, and it took 27 years to come out with that to my husband. How that happened, I applied for a place on the shadowing scheme at the Welsh Assembly. That was in 2007. So there was a whole series full of interviews that took about 9 months, all these different interviews to get a place. And on the last interview, I was asked which political party I would be supporting and be paired with. So that's when I came out at the interview to say, OK, I am a supporter of Plaid Cymru. So they put it on the form, and that was it. So I had the letter then a few months later to say, you've been successful, you've got one of the places. There were only 8 places, so I was really, really pleased with that. And on the night of the launch, it was a big fanfare at the Welsh Assembly. So my husband and I were leaving the house, and he said, I wonder who you'll be paired with, thinking I'm going to be with Labour. So I just said to him, well, I really hope I'm paired with Helen Mary Jones. So as we were walking through the front door, he was thinking, and I could feel the cogs in his brain thinking, who's Helen Mary Jones? And then he said, she's Plaid Cymru. And I said, yeah, I'm Plaid Cymru too. And we just walked out the door in silence and went down to the Senedd. He was really shocked, but not angry, just shocked, because every time we went to the polling booth over the last 27 years, he just assumed I'd be putting my cross by the Labour candidate, which he was quite shocked to find out I wasn't been doing that over the last 27 years, but he's quite happy with it. And actually, he votes Plaid now.